Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can use the PowerShell script to remove someone's access. So it can be a group or it can be a user account that we can use in the PowerShell script, and we can easily remove that account or remove that access from the remote computer. Suppose any account or any group is added into the administrator group or the remote desktop users group. So if that account is present on that computer in that particular group, then the script will automatically remove that account. So we can see here how we will do that with the PowerShell script. Okay, so we have here a remove account access PowerShell script ready, and we have a two computer here, server 1 and server 2. Okay, so let me show here. So you can see here IT security group is already added there, and in the second computer also the IT security group is added. Now we want to remove this, correct? So I'll run, let me explain the script to you. So this is a server where we are giving the list of computer. Here we have created a group variable where you have to mention from which group you have to remove that group or account, like administrator or the remote desktop user or the power user. Okay. Here in the third variable, we have to enter the group name or the username that you want to remove from the remote computer. Suppose you want to remove admin, suppose any account XYZ from the administrator group. Then here in the group, you have to give the administrator, and in the account, you have to give the XYZ. Or maybe there is ABC group, so you can also mention the ABC and it will remove that account. Okay, so only these three variable you have to put, and the rest of the script will work on this variable. Okay, for each computer in the server's list, it will invoke the command, and the command is like if uh, get hyphen local group member hyphen name string group name, where the account is like this, then if this statement is true, then it will remove that account from the remote computer, and it will give the static message, okay, this account has been successfully removed. Okay, so now here in the else statement, we are using that, okay, if account not found or the group not found in the remote computer, then we can just say, okay, not found. Okay, so let me run this script. And you can see here the group has been removed successfully. So let me go to that computer and let me refresh that. And you can see IT security has been removed. Let me refresh. Okay, you can see that. So now this is about the group. You can see here I had created the IT security group, and this is a security group global, and the member is like Mike and Swapnil. Okay, so let me add a user account, and then I'll show you how to remove that account, because just now we removed the group, right? So let me add that account here with this script. Let me run group name, administrators, account name, Swapnil, and you can see here, okay, Swapnil has been added, and here in the second computer also Swapnil has been added. So let me run the remove script. Administrators, and the account is Swapnil, and you can see removed successfully. Okay, now it is already removed, right? So okay, you can see here it's already removed. Now let me run the script again, because now this account is not there, so it should give like not found, but we'll verify that. Uh, and you can see here it is showing Swapnil not found. Okay, you can see here Swapnil user account slash group not found. Okay, so let me run it again. Run once. IT user account group not found. Okay, so this is the way you can use this script to remove or revoke the access of any particular user or particular group. So again, let me show you this text file, how many computers I had mentioned here. So you will be familiar with that. Okay, so this is the two computer I had mentioned. You can use the script for your requirement, and if you have any query, you can put into the comment box. I'll try to answer that. Thank you for watching the video.